Reading week 5, and this is for year 3 and 4. A good morning to you all. This is lesson 4, and today's lesson focus. So, you will be choosing a key event from the text. The story is told through the eyes of the Velveteen Rabbit. You will be rewriting the text, but this time it will be through the eyes of the boy. You will be describing the boy's thoughts and feelings. Today's Vipers focus, we will be using retrieval and summarising. Today's learning objective is to summarise a key event within a fictional text. Your success criteria, I can discuss a key event within a fictional text. I can also decide how a character may be feeling. I can even write my own version of the text through the eyes of one of the characters. As in previous lessons, this website is here to help you. So you can use it to look up any words that you don't understand, or if you need to check a spelling of a word. And for pupil-friendly definitions, use co-build definitions. A day in the life. So, from which character's point of view is the story told? That's right, it's from the Velveteen Rabbit's point of view. What would you need to change if the story is told from the point of view of the boy? So you would have to include the boy's thoughts and feelings rather than the rabbit's. You need to imagine that you are the boy. Today's learning activity. You are going to choose an event from the extract rewrite as a diary entry, and here are some examples to help you. You may choose the first night that he cuddled the rabbit to sleep instead of the china dog. Or maybe you would choose to write a diary entry about one of the days the boy and the rabbit spent together in the spring garden. You need to decide which event you're going to choose. You should include the thoughts and feelings that the boy has, especially his thoughts and feelings about the Velveteen Rabbit. Let's look at some of the feelings he had towards the Velveteen Rabbit. So we learn when he first slept with the Velveteen Rabbit, he found it uncomfortable. And at first he really wanted the china dog. So what do you think he was thinking at that point? And how did that make him feel? He probably only wanted the china dog, and he may have felt disappointed. Here are some other feelings the boy may have felt at first. He may have felt very frustrated that he couldn't have the china dog. He might have felt distressed and upset. And then we learn he starts to enjoy being with the Velveteen Rabbit. So the boy's thoughts and feelings towards the Velveteen Rabbit have started to change as we read further through the extract. So he may now have felt comfort from the rabbit, content and happy and pleased about it. Now it's your turn. Choose an event from the story and retell it through the eyes of the boy. And don't forget, you will be writing it as a diary entry. Use your worksheet to complete the learning activity. And today's plenary. Do you think the story is best told through the eyes of the rabbit or best told through the eyes of the boy? What do you think and why? The success criteria. I can summarize the main events in a fictional text. I can also use this information to create my own character. I can even write my own version of a fictional text.